Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am. Gurleen ma'am. Gurleen ma'am. Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am.
Gurleen ma'am.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.
Hello ma'am. So today is a very special day because it is the birthday of one of the most inspiring, kind, caring, smart, motivated, and a beautiful, beautiful person inside out. And it goes without saying that a lot of people would agree with me on this because it is your birthday. So a very happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. I hope that you have a day just as wonderful as you are. And thank you so much for making this year a little better for many of us, despite it being a complete mess, and for going out of your way to make so many other things so special for all of us. So I hope with this video we could make your day a little more special and have an absolutely amazing day and a new head. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, ma'am. And thank you for being the biggest mentor in my life. Thank you for helping me overcome my self-confidence issues. I have changed a lot since I've graduated as a Zenithian, and it's all because of you. One thing which has stayed with me since 2015 is the thing you taught about completing your circle. That 10 out of 10. Even if you finish the circle and you reach 10 out of 10, you should always look for something more to improve, and that's what has stuck with me since then, and it will be with me for my lifetime to always keep growing, always looking for new opportunities. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. I feel so blessed to be a part of Zenith under your mentorship because you give us the power to truly discover our potential. And I just wanted to say thank you and happy birthday once again.
Hello, Gurleen ma'am. I'm Daksh, if you will remember. Thank you for making me who I am today. I owe a lot to you and to the Zenith program. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. And may you live longer than ever and change many children's lives just like you did mine. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. Love you so much. It's been an amazing experience with you. I have been missing you a lot since the past 2 years. You've taught me so well and so much. And I hope I've been a good student, but I love you so much. You're an amazing human being. It was so good to be a student, and I love you so much. Lots of love. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello ma'am, wish you very very happy returns of the day. I wish this life becomes all that you want to do. Have a great birthday ma'am.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. I hope you have a great birthday, and on this birthday I would want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for existing. Now, when it comes to you, you've always been the mentor, my go-to person. You've been my mentor whom I can go for advices. You've been a mother who protects me. You've been a friend with whom I can absolutely talk about anything. You've been a teacher. You've been an idol for me who has always inspired me, and yet when it comes to you, I always fall short of words. You've contributed in so many ways in my life, and I'm so thankful for that, and I really hope that you have the best, because you deserve it. You deserve the best in all the worlds, and I really love you, and happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. I'm so blessed that I found a mentor like you. Like, not everybody is as lucky as I am, and of course you other students who found a mentor like you. I'm really blessed, and I hope that I will make you proud one day. Your Zenith. Edith. Thank you ma'am. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. You are such a pure soul. A person who has impacted my life in a great way in such a small span of time, and that is so wonderful. You are someone who has the capability of touching lives so beautifully and telling us things no one ever did, and I'm sure no one ever will. You've made me realize that I am someone extraordinary and I am a Zenith. I'm so grateful to be your student. You rock, ma'am. Sending you lots of love and good wishes and wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Hope you have an amazing day ahead, and thank you for making me into Zenith.
Here's wishing our guide, our mentor, our best friend, our Gurleen ma'am, a very, very happy birthday. Thank you, ma'am, for believing in me when I did not believe in myself. Thank you for making me a much better version of myself. And thank you for hearing me out always. May this day bring you loads of happiness, love, good health, and cake. Love you and I miss you and I hope to see you very soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. Thank you for all the life lessons that you have taught us. I still remember when I initially joined Zenith, I was not confident enough. But through your consistent training, teachings and activities, it definitely helped me to grow as a person. So thank you so much for making me realize the true meaning of Zenith in life. Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything.
Many happy returns of the day, Gurleen ma'am. Thank you very much for teaching all that I have learned today. I have become a better leader, a better person, and whatnot. Thank you for teaching me everything. Have a great year ahead.
Hello ma'am, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday a lot ma'am. I'm so excited. Ma'am, I cannot even begin to fathom the things you have done for me in such a short span. Thank you so much, ma'am. One important thing I realized after meeting you was small things, small steps. They bring the big change. Like decluttering my space every day, staying calm in situations that trigger me may not be a very big deal right now, but they are definitely pushing me. They're definitely contributing me into becoming a better version of myself, which I'm also excited to look forward to. So thank you so much from the core of my heart, ma'am. This is not easy, but with your persistent efforts, motivation, it keeps us going. Thank you so much.
From a person who used to be scared by seeing the dead end in any situation, to a person who realized that a true Zenith is the one who does not fear, but rather bounces back with even more force and more power to face the situation head on. Thank you, Gurleen ma'am, for teaching me those innumerable life lessons that you've taught me. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. Wish you have a great day. It's been super long that we haven't met. I would like to share that whenever I reach a milestone in my life, there's not even a single time that I don't remember you, because you are a crucial part of my upbringing, of my grooming. So thank you so very much for that. We are very proud to be a part of Zenith family always, and you have shaped me in a way that has made me reach wherever I am today. So lots of love and good wishes to you. Hope to see you super soon. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for always being such a great mentor in our life since we've been kids. And I just like to say that there is not one time or one achievement even or one day that we don't remember you, and we thank you in our hearts for being such a great inspiration for us. Like, you have made us a version of us that we did not even know that existed. Like, I'm speaking in front of a camera right now because of you.
Yes.
If it would have been like 6 years ago, I would have been looking over there and speaking all the time.
Correct.
And my family has seen, my friends have seen changes in me, and that is only because of Zenith. I'm always going to be grateful for you, even she is.
Always.
And we hope that we see you really soon, because we miss you, we miss Sir, we miss Afreen, and we're gonna meet really soon. Have a great birthday. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We love you, miss you.
Happy birthday.
We don't usually look like this, but since it was your birthday and we were going out for a party, we thought that we'll party on your behalf as well. So love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Very happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am. Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.
Happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Very happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gurleen ma'am.